Today we'll be looking on how we can list the contents of a directory with a command. The command is so simple. You just type ls and that's it. So this is like the one for dir or dir in Windows, but for Linux we use the ls. So let's get to it. So on your terminal you can just type ls, then hit enter or return. It will return the contents, that is files and directories in a particular directory. So that's how you go about it. So let's try again, but this time around I'll go back to the top directory, and here we have these files and directories. So that's simple. That's how you just list them, and you can also list the files and directories in a particular directory by using the ls/the directory name, and there you go. It's listed the files and directories in the etc directory. That's how easy it is to list directories in Kali Linux, or any Linux in this case. As easy as that. So as you can see, these are the files contained in there. You can also do some manipulations and see how it goes. For example, you might want to know more about the files and directories, and to do this we'll use that command. Use the L switch then L switch. This will be able to show you permissions, owner, size, and when the file was last modified. It is showing you the date. As you can see, there's a date when you use the L switch. That's how you can modify. This is also often referred to as the long listing. You see it's a bit long. That's called the long listing. So you can try other manipulations as well. For example, you might not be seeing some other files. Maybe the other files are hidden. We will also use another method. We can use also another switch, and in this case we'll just repeat the ls-l, then we'll add an a. The a in small case will be our switch, and this switch will be able to show us the hidden files. As you can see, the files are now 164 files listed, and previously we had 80 files, a total of 80. We had 80 files, but now we have 164 files listed. As you can see, this total with the S switch is 164. And that's how you list files in Kali Linux directories. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.